Hello everyone, we are MoonMakers!
Welcome to the Creative Kitchen series with Maker Camp,
where we share some of our favorite science, experiment and creation.
and our floor kitchen is a delicious science laboratory.
Have you ever wondered how plants get water from roots to leaves?
Yeah!
Today we're gonna find out with a cool experiment and a really fun machine. Ready?
Ready!
Let's go!
Step 1. Let's gather the material.
Let's gonna need containers like glass jar,
Xylem,
water,
food coloring, any color you want.
a knife. Be careful.
Step 2. Now we will fill each jar with water in half.
Perfect. And that will eat a drop of food coloring. Ready?
Ready! Wow, amazing!
Great. Step 3. We're gonna cut a stem of our celery about an inch. We need one for me and one for you. Okay.
Ready?
Ooh, look fantastic.
Perfect.
And step 4. We place our celery in the colored water and let it rest for about 20 minutes. So let's clean and let's go.
Perfect. What we used to create will help you see how water travels to the roots and the rest of the plant.
The answer are small tubes in the stem called xylem. They draw water like a straw. That's because through a process, capillary action.
Great!
Capillary action happens when the water rises through things because it's stinky.
Really?
Not stinky like glue. That's stinky, for example, after washing your hands, some drops of water stinky to your fingers. So the water is stinging the walls of the tube and starts to rise for a few inches. Also stinks to itself, attracting more water at its rise.
Amazing! Gradually, capillary action allows the water at the different parts of the plant through the xylem's tube in the stem.
We're gonna take our celery and let's see how the colors try through the xylem. So let's cut it a little bit and let's see. Wow!
Looks
I wanna
great!
try it.
I can see the color.
They look fantastic. Also, we have here other celery will live for much longer, so we can see a different effect. What do you see, Diego?
The color begins to start in the small spots and the end in the stem. And also, the color is in the leaves. I look great.
They look fantastic. This is because the leaves help the water rise up for the xylem, because they have small holes that let out extra water, so more water can rise. Amazing! Science!
You can also experiment with other plants.
We have here some flowers that we also live in colored water, so we start to see how behind to change the color. And look at this flower. We have the stem on the back of the flower now in red. Great, right?
Awesome!
They look fantastic. Look at these details. The petals start to change to red.
Before, the plants are white and now is the green, orange, blue and red. Let's make this photo.
Making a zip-line mechanism so we can have fun while learn. Let's try. So right here we have water and the rest of the plant. Here are the stem and this is the sign when the water is gonna go. So let's rise up. Amazing. The leaves let out the extra water and so much water can rise.
Oh,
Amazing!
incredible!
Let's see how we made it.
We will take a long piece of cardboard and two circles.
Then we take the circles and make a hole in the middle, and with the help of the silicone gun, we will glue a metal ring.
Awesome! Now we will take a straw and put our two cardboard circles.
Then we will place our circles in our large cardboard piece, like this. Now with our cylinder made, we will cut a window in one of the sides, so we are able to see our straw.
We are almost done.
We will piece a tree to our straw and we take the end of the thread and tie them to the two different pieces of cardboard, like this.
Finally, you can decorate it with color paper.
It's ready, so now we can play with it.
What do you think, Cami?
I love creating and have fun, and also knowing more about plants was great.
It's perfect. The next time, let's see more complex machines.
That's a great idea. So thanks so much for watching us. Thanks for being part of the Maker Camp. Give a like, don't forget to subscribe, and leave a comment if you like it. See you later!
Bye!
What do you think?
It's very cool.
They look fantastic, right?
And these flowers is so cool.
Yeah, I know.